Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Panda's Makeover. I'm Srishti. In today's video, I'm going to review the skincare range by The Good Vibes. I bought these products from Purple. I'll mention the link in the description box down below. Don't forget to watch the whole video. I recorded the intro clip with the whole video, but there was some focus issues because of which I had to re-record the whole video and the intro section thrice. Therefore, enjoy the video and please make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel because I worked really hard for this one. So first I'm going to cleanse my face with the facial cleanser. Peach Nourishing Face Wash. It contains 120 ml of the face wash. So I'm going to take this on my face. And I'm going to work with this in circular motion to cleanse my face. It smells heavenly. Now I'm going to wash my face with normal water. Next up I have Cucumber Glow Toner. And dab it into my skin. This is literally the best facial serum I've used. I'm already finished with the first bottle and I'm now up with the second one. So this feels so good, so light, and if you use this for a week continuously, you will definitely see a change in your skin. Your skin will be smoother and better than before. Actually, I have combination skin type. That is why I use ingredients like peach, cucumber and rosehip facial serum and honey because they hydrate my skin and lock the moisture in. This is the facial gel that I'll be using to moisturize my face. The good thing about this facial gel is you can even use it on your hair, your lips. You can mix it with other things like milk powder or coffee, or add it into your face pack, or make your own DIY face pack with this gel. So that was it for today's video. I hope you people enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to hit the bell icon down below and subscribe to my channel so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you next time.